Hi, I'm Cindy Bader from Patterns on the Prairie, and I would love to introduce you to my Mosaic Appliqué patterns. All of my patterns are fusible appliqué in the mosaic style. It gives them a modern feel because they're more minimalistic and they have a lot of negative space. It also has the added benefit of giving nice flexibility to the quilt because of the fabric gap between each piece. And many of my patterns have the option of having the applique border. So the borders you see here are all made up of applique pieces, which are included in the patterns. Or customers can add a pretty fabric border instead for an even faster and easier project. The three patterns you see on the right can be made into either a wall hanging, a table runner, or 4 placemats. And instructions for all three are included in the pattern. All my patterns work in a similar way. The patterns consist of instruction pages, reference pages, and pattern sheets. The instructions are beginner friendly, so you don't need to know anything about Fusible Appliqué before you begin. The pattern pages are full-sized, already reversed, and already arranged on the page by color. So that means that the whole page is the same color fabric. This eliminates a cutting step, which makes the project even faster and easier. And the reference pages show the placement of each pattern piece. The pieces are all numbered, and you just look at the reference page to see where each piece goes. So the process of making a quilt is very simple. You'll just trace your pattern pages onto the fusible, iron the fusible to the back of the applique fabric. You'll cut out all of your pieces. You'll arrange your pieces on the background fabric using your reference pages. The applique shape that's in the center of the design is marked with an asterisk, so you'll start in the center and you'll just build from the center out. Then you'll remove your backing paper and iron your pieces in place. That's all there is to it, just tracing, cutting, and ironing. So I hope you found this helpful and I hope you love my patterns.